And NASCAR fans, this is NASCAR Fan 05 with another diecast review. The second diecast review today is, well, to put it best, take a look at what he did. That's right, Ross Chastain's 2022 Martinsville Checkers Records Hail Melon car. The car that got the Melon Man into the championship for last year and the best seller of last year. And yep, here it is. Ross Chastain Hail Melon car. Nice. On the hood, you've got Moose Fraternity with the red gradient. Down the side, you've got NASCAR Cup Series, round of 8. Playoffs between the round of 8 and Cup Series logos. BeAMoose.org. Health Siemens. Jockey Worldwide Express. Image of a moose. More of the black and red gradient. Yellow arrow pointed at where the jack stand would go. On the back you got Moose Fraternity, Camaro ZL1, Trackhouse Racing #1. Same stuff down the right as the left. On the deck lid you got Moose Fraternity, and on the roof you got Moose Fraternity in #1. There's the base of it. And now, and before I forget, name earlier, you got Ross Chastain's name in the wind sticker. And on the right side, the difference thing is, it says Rod Rose, which I'm not completely sure what that means. Or who Rob Rose is. Or Rod Rose, whatever it is. And also, I forgot, on the left, you got NASCAR's 75th anniversary logo right there. And on the B post, you got Camaro, Chevrolet, Evanhills, and Trackhouse Racing. Plus the yellow playoff spoiler. Nice. Now, on to the damage of the Hail Melon car. Not much on the front of the car. A little bit of race wear and tear, but not much. On the left side, not much, but on the core panel, it looks like he got hit from behind. On the back, there's not a whole lot of damage. Same on the roof and stuff. But now, the main part. The part that pretty much rode the wall. Like this. And on the side, you got a lot of scrapes from it. But let's see if I can do a perfect reenactment of it. Brad. And I don't have a Denny Hamlin car, so I'll just use True to represent Denny. Or at least Denny Hamlin next gen. So we come into the turn. As they're going through the turn, Ross is in a position that he has to get spots, and he goes to the wall, goes past, Brad nearly wrecks, and Ross makes the final 4. And now onto the elephant in the room. As you can see, it has a yellow playoff spoiler, which is accurate. However, the splitter and especially a front windshield banner, are supposed to also be yellow. And Lionel's excuse? Oh, well, the factory we had making the car looked at the wrong images. Which, that is complete BS. This is the best-selling car, the most historic car last year. There's so many images and videos of it. How do you mess up that? It's supposed to have the yellow banner, yellow splitter, yellow spoiler, and only spoiler is yellow on here. Anyways, this is NASCAR Fan of 5. See you in another diecast review.